Polygon is broken below and is now actively testing an extremely strong structure resistance at 95 cents. This is make or break, so let me show you where I think Polygon's heading next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Polygon Matic, but before I get into it, I want to let you know our Inner Circle live hangout is happening in just about an hour and 20 minutes at the time of recording. By the time it's posted, it'll probably be happening, so be sure to join us. If you have a full access membership, we'd love to hang out with you. If you don't, be sure to sign up at the link in the description. Again, the full access membership will let you join us for the Inner Circle Zoom hangout. With that, let's get started with the video. Scrolling down to find Polygon Matic. Polygon's an interesting one because it's like one of the few coins that it doesn't actually, like, the ticker has nothing to do with the actual name. So it confuses me sometimes. Anyways, heading down to the emotional index, this is the first coin of our lineup to push into neutral territory after the major peak. Tons and tons of coins hit greedy, and again, Polygon's the first one to hit back to neutral, and this comes with a major price drop down. Next up is long versus short trades here, and we can see that short trades have massively increased over the past few days as the price has skyrocketed for Matic. At this point, we're likely to see long trades increase pretty quickly here as people look to buy the dip. However, I wouldn't be surprised to see some more moves down in the market before that actually happens. Next up is the whale smart money chart, and we can see that whales have been heavily shorting the market. But at this point, after the drop, whales could be switching into long trade sentiment very, very soon. This last little orange bar isn't really enough to show really strong short trade sentiment. And again, I think the sentiment will flip to long trades soon. Next, I want to show you the Polygon volatility breakout detector, and we're still in high volatility, but that is lowering as we speak. What this tells me is while we could see some volatility in the short term, typically after high volatility comes low volatility and sideways movement. So I wouldn't be surprised to see that coming soon. On the major support and resistance levels, this 95-cent resistance line is what we're actively testing right now. We did push above it and test it as a structure support, but have broken below that. And if this little candle right here stays below this 95-cent level, that'll be officially a breakdown, and this is bearish. The next structure support will be about 86 cents right here, followed by one right here. It's about 82 cents. I'll show you this on the live chart in more detail, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Last but not least is the Polygon daily trade scanner. And unfortunately, we didn't get a signal here, but most often if we push above this red line, this is where we're going to be seeing drastic moves down in the market. You can see it happened right here. And of course, this is the FTX collapse. So there was some fundamentals that brought the price down too. But generally, very often, honestly, if we see the price push anywhere near, especially gigantic red liquidity pools like that, like we did here, that's where we're looking for moves down in the market. Now, what you're going to be looking for next, depending on how the market moves in the short term, we could see a buy signal pop on this candle. So pay very close attention to this in the next coming days. Now, if you want to be able to pay attention to this and catch these moves in the market as they happen, I won't be able to cover Polygon again within the next week or so. So I highly recommend grabbing the membership at the link in the description. On top of all of these metrics you just saw me use across 20 cryptocurrencies, you'll also get access to our quality trade setups. Whenever we at Trade Confident see the daily trade scanner, trend exhaustion, and price versus whale money flow all line up for a signal, we will let you know. And these signals are performing absolutely amazingly. Check it out here. If we go to trade performance, right here, the last one we called Solana saw a 100% move up in the market. Most of our trades will be swing trades, so this means it'll take at least a week most of the time. But as we get into the bull market, we're going to be cycling through trades like crazy. So again, be sure to sign up at the link in the description for the full access pass, and that'll get you access to these trade setups. Right now, I'm looking at Polygon on the 1-day time frame, and right off the bat, we saw that the price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion peaked on their charts and are both on their way back down right now. Now, on the 1-day time frame, they still have plenty of room to move down. The trend exhaustion is still above 70, and most often when we see above 70, this means overbought and often indicates a move back down is coming. You guys may hear some leaf blowing in the background. I just want to apologize for that. that. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it is happening. They like to do that at very inconvenient times, but it's all good. We're going to continue. So while we do see bearish sentiment on the 1-day time frame, if we head over to the 4-hour, we're seeing the exact opposite. The price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion are extremely low on their charts. And most often this indicates a move back up. So what does this indecision mean? I'm going to take you back to the 1-day time frame. What this tells me is that we could actually see a move up first to structure resistance right about here. Call it $1.04. This is structure resistance. So if we move back up here and touch, we will likely move back down again. And this would be a double top formation. And for those that don't know, a double top most often breaks to the downside. So even if we don't reject this structure resistance right here and move down, it's very possible we'll see a move up and then a move back down. This double top idea was actually shared to me in emails yesterday from a member, so we really appreciate that. And we're going to be keeping track of this, and I'll likely talk to you about this on Bitcoin tomorrow. But for now, we got to focus on Polygon. Once this move down does actually happen, we're going to be looking for a move somewhere to the 86-cent mark. Let me actually put that in to make it exact. Right about there, we saw that on the metrics page. And if that move down goes further, I think about 82 cents right here will be the move. So again, if we see a move up, break above this structure resistance, I think we're likely going to move up to about $1.04. However, if this becomes structure resistance and we bounce down, the first move is 86 cents, followed by 82 cents. We'll keep you updated on which one it turns out to be, but I won't be able to post another video about Matic for a little bit of time now. So if you want to get access and track this yourself, I highly recommend grabbing the indicators at the link in the description. Once you click it, it'll bring you to this page right here, the indicator page. The best possible deal is to purchase the Pro Trader bundle pack right here. It includes all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, including the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus whale money flow indicators. If you purchase all 11 of these indicators by themselves, it totals over $2,000. And we decided to just give you this Pro bundle pack for 70% off the total of that. When you purchase, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment. And this has over 3,900 sales, so you will not be alone. So many people are using this pack. So again, grab it at the link in the description if you'd like. But if you'd prefer a more casual approach to trading, try out our membership. And again, if you want to join us for that live Zoom meeting, check out our full access membership at the link in the description. It'll bring you to our home page right here. Just move up and click subscribe. And just warning here, it's about to get pretty bright. Put in your information, scroll down to full access and hit choose right here. It's $59 a month and includes the morning brew overview, quality trade setups that I showed you, as well as the Zoom coaching every single month happening today, January 19th. Last but not least, you'll get access to 20 coins worth of metrics. So this is the absolute best value membership you'll find. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident. I'll see you in the next one.